I'm back again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write. The first thing you will need is any kind of pencil. Now I have this mechanical pencil, but you can use other different kind of pencils, like this wood pencil, a pen, a marker or Sharpie, or a wood pencil. The things I'm going to teach you in this video is how to work a mechanical pencil, how to write, and how to write every letter. Also includes lowercase and uppercase. I will also be showing you how to use an eraser to erase anything you have wrote. But if you wrote something with marker, erasers won't work. Erasers only work with pencils, mechanical pencil or wood pencil. Mechanical pencils and wood pencils have the same lead, so they're like the same. The only difference is that you have to sharpen wood pencils. With a mechanical pencil, you can just push this and lead keeps coming out forever. So now I'll be teaching you how to write on paper. First, you'll need paper. Example, this is paper. Open it up and look how much paper you have. So much. If you don't know where to buy paper, you can buy paper at almost any store. So first, what you want to do is with your hand muscles, you rip the package open and there should be a lot of paper inside. So then with your pointer finger and your thumb, you want to use your finger muscles to lift one piece of paper out. Then pull it out of the package. So now that you know how to get a paper out, put it on the table. You would want to have a paper on a flat table, as you can see in the second camera I have. Make sure the surface you're writing on is hard. If it is soft, the pencil will go right through the paper because papers are very thin. See how thin the paper is? So first, what you want to do is hold a pencil. Now, I'm going to teach you how to hold a pencil. First, I'll teach you how to hold a mechanical pencil. So first, what you want to do is you have to find out if you are right-handed or left-handed. How to do that is just think, what hand would you use to pick up anything? Would you use your left hand to pick up this? Or would you use your right hand to pick this up? For me, I am right-handed. So I will be teaching you how to write with your right hand. So first, what you want to do is hold the pencil with your thumb and your pointer finger and lift it up. Then you will want to have your pinky kind of put it up somehow. You can use your other hand to help. So just hold it up and you need to have the pencil between here on this knuckle and slide it until your hands meet to somewhere by where you write. So there, this is how you hold a pencil. Also, another way to find out if you're right-handed or left-handed is to try and hold the pencil in both hands. So for this side, hold it the same way, put it on this knuckle and put these two fingers here and just try and feel it and just see if it feels right. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to teach you how to hold a wood pencil. It is very easy. It is almost like holding a mechanical pencil. You just need to do the same thing as last time. Put it on this knuckle and put two fingers close to this pointy part. And there, that is how you hold pencils. If you want to hold a marker, it is still the same thing. Do it like this. But if you want to open the lid, use your other hand, these two fingers, and just lift it out. And then you should see this, and then you're ready to write. So now I'm going to teach you how to write. So this is how to write. First, you want to hold the pencil with these two fingers, or you can use this back finger to like kind of hold it, because if you're going like this, it's like really weird. So just maybe like hold it like that. It's kind of like a rester. I don't know. Some people hold it different, but I hold it like this, with my thumb also a little bit out. So this is how to write. Put your hand on the paper and put this pencil right on the paper. Kind of press a little hard, but not that hard. Then you will want to move your arm, and then you will see that it has wrote something. You can write anything like a face. So, this was me holding it down too hard. This is what happens when you hold it down too hard. It breaks the lead off, so don't hold it down that hard. So, what to do if your lead breaks? So, do you see this eraser? Do you want more lead and don't know how to get the lead back? All you need to do is use your thumb and use these two fingers to hold it. Then you want to just press it down. And as you can see, some new lead has came out. If you want it a little bit longer, you can press it again and more comes out. There's also a way to make it go back in if it is too long like this. You want to press and hold and then just push. As you can see, it got kind of shorter. So if you're writing with a wood pencil and you can't write anymore because the lead is kind of gone, you will need to use a sharpener. So how to use a sharpener is first you put it in the smaller hole, or if you have a big pencil, you put it in the bigger one. So you put in this one and then you kind of push a little hard and then you turn it with all of your fingers. And then with your arm muscle, you kind of move it around and then take it out. And as you can see, it's a little sharpened. And that is how you sharpen a wood pencil. Break time! So, I have a little question for you. Do you know whose face this is? If you do, make sure you go in the comments and write whose face it is. Now back to how to write. So yeah, you can write anything you want. You can write squiggles, you can write swirls, as you can see. You can write scribbling. You can just write anything. So now, I am going to teach you how to write every letter of the alphabet, uppercase and lowercase. So, the first letter I'm going to teach you how to write is A. This is what A looks like. This is how to write A. So, start here, go up a little, and then go down. Then, you make a line in the middle. This is called capitals. Now, I'm going to teach you how to write the small version of A. So, you go like this in a circle, and then you make a little line going down. That is called lowercase a. Next letter is B. Follow me. Go like this, up, and a bump, and another bump. I think B looks like this because butt starts with a letter B, and a B looks like a butt. So for lowercase b, you go down, and then go like halfway up, and then make a little circle like that. That is lowercase b. Next letter is C. This is capital C, and this is small c. As you can see, both C's look the same, but one is bigger. Next letter is D. You go like this, go back up all the way to the top, make a little half circle, and that is D. This is small d. Go down, and then halfway up, and then do a circle. D is the same as B, but it's kind of opposite. Next, I'm going to teach you how to write E. So you go down, and then at the top, you make a little line, And then right in the middle of the line, you make another little line, and then at the end, you make another line. The middle line's supposed to be a little smaller than the top and the bottom. Next is small e. So you start here, you go around like this, and you go like this. Some people start from this side and go down, but I think that is too hard. So I just start from the bottom and go like this. See? Look how easy it is. This way, it looks, I don't know. I'm not used to writing that way, but I think this way is how you're supposed to write it, but this way is so much easier, starting from the bottom, going to the top. That's how I write E's, but you can do either way. Next letter is F. So make a line, make another line, and another line, like this. It's kind of like E, but without the bottom line. Then small f is like this, with a line in the middle. Next is G. Big G is like this, and small g is like this. Next is H. Big H has two lines and a line in the middle. Kind of looks like a window. Have you ever seen this weird window thing? It's like this. Window equals something, I forgot. 1 plus 1 equals window. I don't know what the heck. So then small h is like this, going down, and then a little thing like this. Next is I. Big I is like this, with two lines, and small I is a line with a dot at the top. Next is J. Big J is like this, small j is a little thing with a dot on it again. Next is K. Big K, small k. As you can see, these both look the same, but one is bigger and one is smaller. This is just like C. Next is L. Big L is like this, small l is just a line. It's kind of like I, but it's just without the dot. It kind of looks like capital I too, but it's just a line. Sometimes when you see an L and an I, like on a TV or something, they look the same. But when you draw an I, you can do lines or just no lines sometimes. I don't know. I like doing lines because, yeah, it just looks like an I. Next is M. Capital M kind of looks like a mountain. Small m is like almost the same but kind of curvy. N. Go like this and like that. And small n is like this. O. This is O. This is big O, and this is small o. They look the same, just like C and K, but one's bigger and one's smaller. P. This is big P, and this is small p. They look the same as O, K, and C. Next is R. Big R, small r. Next is S. Big S, small s. As you can see, this looks the same as P, O, K, and C, but it's just bigger and smaller. I just noticed I forgot how to do Q. It's supposed to be after P. So, big Q, small q. Next is T. Big T, small t. Small t kind of looks like small f, but as you can see, small f has a little curve, and this doesn't. Next is U. This is big U, and this is small u. As you can see, small u has a little line and is a little smaller. Next is V. This is big V, this is small v. As you can see, V is the same as S. That's the same as P, O, K, and C. Next is W. This is big W, which looks like an upside down M, and this is small w. As you can see, this is the same as V, S, P, O, K, and C. This is X. Big X, small x. As you can see, it is the same as W, V, S, P, O, K, and C. Next is Y. This is Y, and this is small y. As you can see, it is the same as X, W, V, S, P, O, K, and the last letter is Z. Big Z, small z. As you can see, it is the same as Y. So there! That is how you write every letter of the alphabet. Do you want me to tell a fun fact about the alphabet? Then make sure you press the like button that looks like this. Not this.
No!
This. When you press it, it turns blue. Make sure you also press the subscribe button, which is red, which is right under this video if you just scroll down a little bit. It is a red button, and it says subscribe with white writing on it. It looks like a little red rectangle, so make sure you press it. Have you done it? I will now wait for you to do those things, and then I'll tell the fun fact after 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds to do the things that I did. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. The fun fact about the alphabet is every letter has its own sound in it. Like A is A, B is B, C is, sometimes C can sound like an S, but C can also sound like K, like a K. D has D, E has E, F has F, G has J, H has H, I has I, J has J, K has K, L has L, M has M, N has N, O has O, P has P, R has R, Q has Q, S has S, T has T, U has U, V has V, W has W, X has X, Y has Y, and Z has Z. So yeah, I just found that out one day, like at night, like, I don't know, a couple years ago or something. And yeah, I thought it was the coolest thing ever. Like, I never knew that before. No one ever taught me that. I just found that out by myself. I don't know how. So now, I'm going to teach you how to use an eraser if you want to erase something that you wrote and you don't want it there anymore. So, this is an example. If you're like, la 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 la, I'm going to make a face. Whoa! I just slipped. So, you get an eraser. It's all blue because I was drawing something. So, you want to put the eraser where you made a mistake. And then make sure you push down kind of hard. And then you just you go like that. And as you can see, it got kind of a little lighter. So you want to keep doing that. So just keep going down and up and down and up. Make sure with your other hand you hold the paper so it doesn't like crumple like this, you know? I hate that. So just hold it. Make sure you press down hard and just go really fast. And then as you can see, the line is gone. And that is how you use an eraser. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial of how to write. Tell me next year of what video I should make. Like, I already did how to eat and how to drink. But next year, make sure you tell me what kind of how-to video you want me to do. So yeah, that is it for the tutorial. My name is April, and I will see you next year. Bye!